What is the atomic number of samarium? 47. 47, is it correct? 62 it is. Okay. Hey, don't laugh. Read that. Whatever in the card you read. Fairly hot silvery white metal. Okay. Not found in free in nature. Okay. Consider to moderately toxic. Discoverer Paul Emile Leacock D and other. Uses permanent magnet, neutron scavenger, ceramic condenser, catalyst and chemical reagent. Treatment of cancer. Samarium, it is used for the treatment of cancer. See that some radioactive elements also there. That also used to cure cancer. Radioactive element causes cancer, and some radioactive elements also will be the cure for the cancer. Samarium, one of the element. Clap for him. Good.